A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust that releases lava, ash, gases, and steam. The vast majority of the world's volcanoes are found around the edges of tectonic plates, both on land and in the oceans. But some volcanoes, such as the Hawaiian Islands, lie within the interior of tectonic plates rather than along the plate margins. How can we explain this? In 1963, John Chusa Wilson introduced the hotspot idea and suggested that these volcanic chains may have formed due to the slow movement of a plate over a relatively stationary, particularly hot part or hotspot in the mantle. In 1971, William Jason Morgan proposed a plume concept to further explain the origin of volcanic island chains. Intense radioactivity in the Earth's interior creates a huge column of lava known as a plume. This plume from the asthenosphere pushes upwards, pressure drops, and the plastic rocks become molten. The resulting magma rises up through the crust and forms a volcano. As the plate moves, the volcano is carried away from the hotspot and becomes inactive. A new volcano can now form above the hotspots. The oldest volcanoes in the chain are found furthest from the hotspots. In addition to the Hawaiian Islands, Reunion, Yellowstone, and the Galapagos Islands are physical evidence of hotspots. Iceland is probably the best studied hotspot in the world. Recently, in 2003, Gillian Folger challenged the plume hypothesis and proposed an alternate theory. She suggests that all plates have scars from collisions or divergence, and that some large lithospheric plates are stretched as the edges are pulled down into subduction zones. When these weakened areas of plates pass over previously subducted crust that melts easily under low pressure, volcanic activity results. For now, the plume theory holds most sway, but cracks are beginning to show.